Good morning, children! Today, we're going to learn about long E sound. Are you ready, children? So let's begin. Long E sound has E-A-K ending letters, and we sound it as ick. Ick. Please repeat, children. Ick. For example, B, ick, B, ick, big, big, L, ick, L, ick, lick, lick, W, ick, W, ick, wick, wick, P, ick, P, ick, pick, pick. Let's read the words again. Big, lick, wick, pick. You're doing good. Now let's read the words with it sound. It. Please repeat, children. It. 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 Meat. Meat. It. It. Hit. Hit. It. It. Sit. Sit. It. It. Knit. Knit. Meet. Hit. Sit. Knit. That's wonderful. Children, let's read the words with id sound. Id. Please repeat, children. Id. Id. B. Id. B. Id. Bid. Bid. L. Id. L. Id. Lid. Lid. Id. Id. Read. Read. Bid. Lid. Read. That's awesome. Let's read the words with im sound. Im. Please repeat, children. Im. Im. T. Im. T. Im. Tim. Tim. B. Im. B. Im. Bim. Bim. Der. Im. Der. Im. Dream. Dream. Let's read more. Team. Beam. Dream. Children, let's read the words with each sound. Each. Please repeat, children. Each. Each. T. Each. T. Each. Teach. Teach. P. Each. P. Each. Pitch. Pitch. her, itch, her, itch, rich, rich, itch, itch, rich. You're doing great. Now let's read the words with id sound. Id. Please repeat, children. Id. S. Id. S. Id. Sid. Sid. Id. Id. Feed. Feed. W. Id. W. Id. With. With. Sid. Feed. With. Words with ip sound. Ip. Please repeat, children. Ip. W. Ip. W. Ip. Whip. Whip. D. Ip. D. Ip. Dip. Dip. Sh. Ip. Sh. Ip. Ship. Ship. Whip. Dip. Ship. That's great. Some words have double E at the end, which sounded as E. E. Please repeat, children. E. For example, B, E, B, E, B, B, S, E, S, E, C, C, Ter, E, Ter, E, tree, tree, B, C, tree. Some words have EA at the end, and the sound is E. E. Please repeat, children. E. For example, T, E, T, E, T, T, S, E, S, E, C, C, P, E, P, E, P, P, T, C, P. Excellent! Children, there are more examples here, like words with in sound. In. Let's read the examples, but I want you to read after me. Ready? Bin, seen, kin, queen. Words with ill sound. Ill. Please read after me. Peel, heal, feel, steal. Words with ear sound. Ear. Year, hear, fear, near. Keep it up, children. See you around. Goodbye.